What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Give me just a second to get it started. I'll be with you guys in just a moment. Gonna be a super quick update today. Good morning, good evening.
Look at those palm trees, damn.
All right, we're about to get it started. Again, it's going to be a really quick update. I apologize. I really meant to do some more, but had some things going on the past week. So we're going to get right into it, though. Smash that like on the way in. Or on the way out. Let's go. Pump it up for me one time. One time for the one time. Let's go.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
That's right.
Wrong. When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back
That's
on
right.
That's not what I was told.
And maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me.
What is going on, everybody?
Hakuna Matata.
Welcome back, man. We still kicking. We alive and well. We doing great, fantastic. How is everybody doing? If you're watching the stream later, I thank you very much for joining us. I thank you for tuning in and checking out the channel, man, if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And we've got a giveaway with Fairdesk going on right now. We do have a giveaway going on. $100 up for grabs. $100 deposited to your Fairdesk account. All you got to do is sign up with my link, fund your account, and open one position, future or copy trade, by March 25th. And on March 25th, one winner will be picked using their user ID from signing up using my link. And Fairdesk is awesome. You can see it right here on the screen. I mean, no VPN, no KYC required, available in the US. You can withdraw up to $80,000 a day without KYC or VPN. So out of all the other exchanges right now, all the futures exchanges, I mean, really, I don't know, you know, it seems like this one, Fairdesk, has really got something going on when it comes to the competition, because of almost every other exchange out there, you know, having issues in the US, having issues with the regulations and everything coming on board. So lots of exchanges that used to be available in the US without a VPN or without KYC now require both. And Fairdesk, you can still withdraw up to $80,000 a day without using a VPN and without KYC. So I think that's just a huge plus in general. Not to mention, I mean, you can trade meme coins. You got WIF on here already. They got WIF, Dog with Hat on here. BOME, Book of Meme, not on here yet. It's we got Solana and BOME trend on social media as ETH and Bitcoin lag behind. And Bitcoin entering pre-halving danger zone. Crypto CEOs remain bullish. I remain bullish as well, even though, you know, I've kind of always been saying this, right? I've been saying this for a while now. What's up What's up, Vlad? It's cold. Yeah, for no reason, man. Why is it so cold? It's March. Come on. But yeah, I've been saying this for a minute about Bitcoin, about this pre-halving thing or post-halving thing going on. I really do believe some kind of thing uh, is going to happen. Some big, move is going to happen either right before the halving or right after the halving. Duke, what's up? Welcome. Thank you for dropping that comment. I really do appreciate it. This meme business is getting out of hand. I agree, man. I totally agree, actually, with that statement. Because like I love making money. I love making money. I love seeing people make money. And if you're making money on this, if you're making life-changing gains with this, then by all means, man, get it. Get that money. But at the same time, I look at it and I'm like, man, the crypto space, like people that are just now coming into crypto, no wonder people are going to think that it's a big joke. I love meme coins though. Don't get me wrong. I love meme coins. I think it's awesome. It's easy money. It's quick money usually, but you got to be careful, right? You got to be careful. I wouldn't really like meme coins are not something I'm gonna stack and hold like through a, you know, through a bear market or something. I might actually stack and hold, certain coins. I might actually DCA and diamond hand through a bear market even if they're really good long-term coins. But I mean, these though, not financial advice, but I'd say get your money and get out. Make your money and get out. I thought crypto is supposed to be a disruption industry. It's a trend gamble with memes. Duke, I mean, exactly, man. It's getting to be that way. But it's just because of all the hype. When someone sees a coin that's up, you know, 1,000% in a month, or wait, what is it? A week? Yeah, 7 days. Boom, Book of Meme up 1,300% in a week. So I mean, it's hard not to be hype about that. And if we're able to make money with stuff like this, I mean, as long as the liquidity is there, right? I guess, and you can cash your gains out. I mean, by all means, get that money, get that money. But at the same time, like I don't want people to lose sight of what crypto is really about. Like you said, disruption industry, right? We're supposed to be the fourth. We're supposed to be the next industrial revolution, right? Crypto. We're supposed to completely revamp and change the legacy financial system, right? So I don't really think that these coins are doing that. I don't really think these coins are changing the financial system or disrupting much other than just hype. I mean, it's mostly just hype, communities backing it, giving it value, making it go up in price. But at the same time, like I said earlier, with these, get your gains and get out. You know what I'm saying? FTT changed my life. I bet it did. I'm on food stamps now. Yeah, yeah. Again, get your money and get out. Now we are still at the cusp of the bull run. Okay, we technically are at the cusp of the bull run. So, what these meme coins are gonna do between now and the end of the bull cycle is just a big guessing game, really. But at the same time, I mean, I'm not sure that I would buy when it's 1,300 up in a week or after just launching. But Book of Meme, will the hype last? Can the hype sustain? Why is it pumping so much, right? Why is it pumping so much on launch? I mean, have you seen the website, bro? Like, what is this website link is even sketch, bro? I mean, look at the website, man. This is literally just like, I mean, this is literally just, they did not spend nothing on this either. It's like, let's just create some trash and just pump the hell out of it, market the hell out of it, and just promote the hell out of the pre-sale. I'm guessing is what they did. And this is crazy, man. So anybody in the chat right now, are you in this? Are you in Book of Meme? Are you BOMing right now? Are you BOMing? Because this thing has really just went crazy. I don't, bro. I just don't understand. What is that? $2.7 million. What is that? No, 2.1 billion trading volume. Bro, what is this ranked at right now? What level is this ranked at right now? $122, bro. It's almost in the top 100 coins. It's almost in the top 100. Wow, bro. Now, is it done? Right? Is it fizzled out already? Is it done? Or is this thing going to keep going? I was looking at Jasmine real quick. I'm gonna quickly just give you my take on Jasmine coin real fast, because Jasmine, you know, I did an update on Jasmine, called a nice move to the upside, and caught that on my last Jasmine coin update, but I really didn't do much. I really didn't do much after that as far as a recap video, so I'm just gonna recap in the live real quick on Jasmine coin. Again, I don't have a whole lot of time, guys, so I gotta like quickly do this. Jasmine coin in a nice falling channel, possibly a descending wedge here. And I was looking at this, although, you know, it does still look like Jasmine could come on down if we do not hold support. We're testing the 200 moving average on the 4-hour perfectly right now with this current bounce. Possible little, this could go either way, really. You know, you could have a little potential inverse head and shoulders action right there. Or, you know, this technically, you got the two tops right here. Could be a little double top action if we break support and break that neckline. That would get us a break of the 200 as well. Jasmine coin looking like it could come on down further. Let me just go ahead and measure the channel. If we do break out of this channel, again, not financial advice, but if we break out of the channel down to about 0.0125 right here at the previous support back here at my previous trend line down there, that would be the channel measured move potentially. And you can see we're testing the point of control as well with this bounce off the 200. So we're catching this nice little support here for Jasmine, and we could easily, if we lose this, then we could easily drop to that target for the channel, that 1.5 cents there. Let me measure the wedge though. Let me just measure the wedge and give you the bullish and bearish case here. If we do break out of that, you know, we don't hold that first measured move, this would be the more bearish case scenario, would be the wedge target for Jasmine coin, and that's going to be right at about a penny. So you got a 1 to 1.5 cents down here for your range for the downside. But if we were to pop to the upside out of the downtrend and hold and get a little bullishness there, get a little breakout there, close to 3 cents, 0.0298 right there, close to 3 cents. And then, of course, the channel would be a little bit more conservative move there at about 2.5 cents. It would put you right back at your previous resistance right there, basically, if we break out of that. So what's going on, Green Fingers? Welcome, man. How you doing, bro? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm doing all right. Just doing a super quick update because it is already, God, the time goes by so fast. I got to pick up my kids from school, and you know, it's like, wow, man, when they're young and they're in school, it's like, wow, you know, I kind of like it because they only go a shorter amount of time when they're younger, but it's like at the same time, bro, I just dropped you off. It's like, bro, I just dropped you off. But anyways, I just wanted to really touch base on Jasmine coin and these meme coins. I wanted to look at BOME, man, if I could, on what is it, on Binance? Binance listed it, Bybit. It has not much on Binance, not much history there. Yeah, so man, I don't look, there's not much you can go by on HTX, I guess would be it, right? Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing, man. So I would just be cautious, man. Be very cautious. Whatever happens with the market from here, we do have the FOMC we got the Fed interest rate decision coming up. We got FOMC coming up. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Whatever the market does or decides to do, whatever Bitcoin decides to do, just keep that in mind because we do have that Fed interest rate decision coming up. BOME, man, I mean, on the hourly. Look at this. Giant bull flag or falling channel? What do you think? Personally, falling channel is good for me. I think that this would be a pretty decently accurate measured move for BOME. Either way, put it on the conservative side using the channel. Either way it goes, you know, to the upside or the downside, because the channel is just like perfect. I mean, the channel is more perfect than that line. That line was not very straight. But, you know, there we go. I mean, basically, the downside move would be nasty. You know, that would be pretty nasty. That would be pretty nasty. That'd be like 50% to the downside. Upside from the current price would be a nice 100% potentially. If it breaks out of the resistance, right? If it breaks the downtrend resistance, nice little 100% move from the current price. If it does not hold this current support, doesn't hold the downtrend support line, then, you know, 50% drop to test the previous support back here where you ran up is very possible for Book of Memes. But that's all I really wanted to do for now, guys. That's all I really had the time to do. I apologize because it is already getting close to that time for me. I did want to touch base on just, you know, the whole Book of Meme trend going on, the whole meme season right now, basically. Let me look at. Let me look at WIF. Let me look at WIF. I'm gonna look at a couple more real quick and just see what's going on with them. WIF. Ooh, WIF. Now, see, this is why meme coins are so. Like, you got a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour. Okay, you got a bearish engulfing candle. If it closes in the next 30 minutes down here below this previous support, but you're above all these moving averages. So WIF over here looking like it's trying to reverse to the upside, but you got a bearish engulfing candle. It's hard to do some TA sometimes on these meme coins because they follow the hype rather than the TA, right? They're following hype more so than the technicals, really. But you do have people. It's not all hype, right? It's not all hype, but majority is just hype. So you did break your downtrend. Testing all the moving averages right there. Above key moving averages on the 4-hour, but possibly a bearish engulfing candle if WIF doesn't get above that support there and close, but it could easily do that. Either way, there's a lot of support right here for WIF. This would be just a major go-to. So what is that, $2? That $2 to 218, 220, give or take right there. That's beautiful support for WIF. What is SHIB doing? What is shibainu doing? So every coin I've looked at almost today has this sort of like possible reversal trying to take place, possibly. But it's like it's one of them very iffy things, right? It doesn't look very, very stable, but at the same time it looks like it's trying to reverse, but it just may not be the time yet. And then again, like I said, we got that FOMC coming up, and if we put Bitcoin on the chart, we can pull that up. What is this? What's that date? March 20th. So the 20th, we got the Fed press conference on March 20th, the FOMC economic projections on March 20th, and the Fed interest rate decision on March 20th. So, that being said, 2 more days, we got all this going down. Okay? So again, like I said, be cautious here, especially with these meme coins. Be cautious here because depending what happens with the market come March 20th in the next couple days, depending on what happens with the market, depending on what happens with Bitcoin, will depend a lot, in my opinion, on what goes on with the meme coins, especially with BOME after it's already had its launch, the pre-sale, the breakout. You know, it's already had its big boom, you know what I'm saying? So be very, very careful going into this in the next couple of days because, again, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what they're going to say for sure. We might have ideas. People might have projections or guesses or, you know, good ideas of what's going to be said at the press conference, good ideas of what's going to happen with the interest rate decision, but we don't know for sure. And all this happening in a couple days are huge driving factors for the market overall, for Bitcoin, crypto, everything going on. So economically, so I would definitely keep my eyes out in the next couple days. What is today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, so I definitely Wednesday. I will do my best to go live during that time to see what happens and how the market reacts to this coming up on Wednesday. On the 20th, I will do my best. I'll try to go live to cover that and see how the market reacts, because we know it's going to react. We know it's going to react. And is it going to react bearishly, right? We've got Bitcoin entering the pre-halving danger zone. So something to talk about as well. I might save that for the next one. But pre-halving danger zone, I was mentioning this previously on the channel many times before. I was saying that, guys, typically if you look back at the history of Bitcoin's price, either right before or typically right after or before the halving, there is a big old buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, where we have a big sell-off and then kick starts and we go into the actual bull market. Well, this time we've already hit all-time highs before the halving, so that's different. That's a little bit new, right? So with that happening, at this point, the pre-halving danger zone may not even be a danger anymore. It may not even be a danger. We may not even see the dip. Is Book of Meme dead? The 4-year cycle is no more, green fingers. So like I was saying, there may not be a danger zone no more. We may have a permanent bull cycle, guys, as the supply continues to decrease and the demand continues to increase with Bitcoin. I mean, not to say we're not going to have a bear market, of course, but the bull markets probably are going to be a lot more intense coming up, just because of the whole supply. It's just simple supply and demand. I mean, really, when you think of it like that, just supply and demand alone is going to make the bull markets coming up a lot crazier. We're going to have a lot of tight squeezes coming up. So we'll see what happens. Is Book of Meme dead? I was just saying be careful with it, because we have this stuff coming up in a couple of days, right? We got some big events coming up in a couple of days. So I'll say, be careful with the meme coins right now. It is meme season. Don't get me wrong. It is meme coin season all the way. I mean, when you go to CoinMarketCap and, you look at the meme coins, right? I mean, they are booming. Pull up the weekly gainers and, I mean, just look at it. I mean, they are booming. You got Dog with Hat, BOME, Well Narrow. Wow, Narrow's up 77% in the past week. You just have quite a few that are up quite a bit, but BOME really the big one right now. BOME just ridiculous gains. It's almost just stupid gains, So again, take caution. Take caution here. BOME may not be completely done because, like I said, we're still at the cusp of the bull market. So BOME may not be completely done running, but short term, possibly. I mean, think about it, guys. It's up 1,300%. It's down what? What is it down? From that top right there, what is it down? From the top to the bottom, make it drop. We only down about 56, 58%. Only got like about a 58% retrace. Is that correct? 58% there. About 58% retrace after like what is that? What is this? After a 5,600% run. So we got 5,000% run, 50% retrace. Could it come down some more? Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. It could. So, and honestly, if it does, I would much rather buy it under a penny than over a penny, So yeah, we could see this thing really come down. Think about it. All these people down here, all these people buying these green candles right here, they're going to take profits eventually. Now, are they locked in or something? Possibly. Are they holding for you know, a long term? Are they just some BOME believers? You know, sure, maybe they're gonna hold it. But I'd be careful because you know, shaky hands, man. You get some shaky hands from some of these buyers over here, and then you're gonna have a big old red candle. You know, so just something to slow bleed out as it just keeps on retracing after this big massive launch. Possibly, we've seen that happen many times as well, right? We've seen that happen many times, guys. Oh my gosh, I've got to bounce. Bag holder's gonna lose, right? You got to take profits, especially with the meme coins. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, I gotta bounce, bro. I gotta get in and get out myself. I got some things to go do, man. I gotta go pick up the kids, and then I got some other things to do. But guys, don't forget, check out Fairdesk. No KYC, no VPN required. Available in the U.S. Withdraw up to 80,000 a day. No KYC, no VPN. $100 giveaway. Doing it now. All you gotta do is sign up with my link and make one futures trade or copy trade by the 25th. Link in the description, link in the pinned comment in the chat. And I will be back as soon as I can, guys. For sure, going to be here Wednesday to take a look at what happens with the market. So stick around, subscribe, like, and I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see y'all in the next one.